Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate YouTube live streaming features in Studio, full guide step by step clearly. To activate YouTube live streaming features in YouTube Studio, start by signing into your YouTube account. Navigate to the YouTube Studio by clicking on your profile icon in the top right corner. From the drop-down menu, select YouTube Studio. Once in the dashboard, locate the Create button, which appears as a camera icon with a plus sign. Click on this button to reveal options for uploading videos and going live. Select Go Live from the drop-down menu. If it's your first time accessing this feature, you will be prompted to enable live streaming. Follow the on-screen instructions to accept the terms and conditions for live streaming. Make sure to verify your account if you haven't done so already. You may need to provide a phone number for verification via a text message. After verification, return to the YouTube Studio. Next, navigate to the Settings option located on the left-hand side menu. In the Settings menu, click on Channel. Under the Channel tab, go to Feature Eligibility. You may see a section titled Live Streaming. If it's not enabled, you will need to activate it by completing any necessary steps shown. Go back to the main YouTube Studio dashboard and click on Content in the left menu. Here, you should find options for managing your videos and live streams. To check if live streaming is fully activated, click on the Live tab. Once you have confirmed activation, you can set up your live stream. Click on Create to start a new live stream. Fill in the required details like title, description, and privacy settings. Finally, select the stream settings that suit your needs, then click Go Live when you're ready to start streaming. You are now all set to utilize YouTube's live streaming features. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.